Joe Biden's presidency has seen a range of significant accomplishments across various areas. Here are some notable highlights. COVID-19 response. The American Rescue Plan of 2021 was a $1.9 trillion stimulus package aimed at combating the economic impacts of the pandemic. It included direct payments to individuals, extended unemployment benefits, and funding for vaccination efforts. Additionally, the Vaccination Rollout saw a rapid increase in COVID-19 vaccinations, achieving high vaccination rates and helping to curb the spread of the virus. Infrastructure investment. The Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act of 2021 is a bipartisan law that allocates $1.2 trillion to improve transportation, broadband, water systems, and energy infrastructure. Economic recovery. Job growth has been significant, with millions of jobs added since taking office, contributing to a decrease in the unemployment rate. Furthermore, the economy rebounded with strong GDP growth rates following the pandemic-induced recession. Climate and environmental initiatives. Rejoining the Paris Agreement, the United States re-entered the International Climate Accord aimed at limiting global warming. Investment in clean energy initiatives to promote renewable energy sources and reduce carbon emissions, including substantial funding through the Inflation Reduction Act. Social policies, student loan forgiveness proposals and actions aimed at forgiving federal student loans for borrowers with plans to ease repayment burdens. Child tax credit expansion, a temporary expansion during the pandemic that provided direct financial support to families with children. Foreign policy, withdrawal from Afghanistan. The controversial withdrawal of United States troops from Afghanistan in 2021, ending America's longest war. Support for Ukraine, strong support for Ukraine amid its conflict with Russia, including military and economic aid. Healthcare initiatives. Affordable Care Act enhancements have increased subsidies for health insurance under the ACA, making coverage more affordable for many Americans. Gun control measures. The bipartisan Safer Communities Act of 2022, the first major federal gun control legislation in nearly 30 years. This act aims at improving background checks and providing funding for mental health services. Judicial appointments. Diverse federal appointments. A significant number of judicial appointments, including the first Black woman, Ketanji Brown Jackson, to the Supreme Court. Veterans Affairs. The PACT Act of 2022 expanded benefits for veterans exposed to toxic substances during military service. These accomplishments reflect Biden's focus on economic recovery, infrastructure, social justice, and environmental sustainability. While opinions on these measures vary, they represent key areas of his administration's agenda.